After a 3-day journey, finally. What the?
Oh boy! Look! Vero is here too! Hi! Vero!
Hey! Liza, look what a beautiful place we found!
They found. Yeah, rather it was their vaunted GPS. Huh? Liza, what's wrong with you?
Gosh, he's so manly in the wild.
Ouch! I think I've got a splinter.
Come on, you and I are a real team, not like these rich guys, huh? Ready? They're gonna slip on a sugar cube. I bought this in Paris for a mere $20,000. So cheap.
Let's do the same next time!
Yeah, right after we sell our house, car, and your mom's shoes.
Are you digging for treasure? Where's my restroom?
There it is. The comfort of Mother Nature herself.
Aww. By the way, Dad has installed WC behind the castle.
Huh. It can't be any cooler than Mother Nature.
Oh boy! I'm moving into bureau stand.
All right, ask for it.
Wow! A spa, movie hall, pool? And it's only on the ground floor.
I challenge you to a camping duel.
Again. Remember how your competition with the neighbor's mower ended?
The hoe is still cooler than this infernal motor thing. Oh, apparently it's a tradition. We agree. My signature trick. Ha! Consider yourself a loser. That's how I made my way to the heart of Liza's mother.
Boring. And he made his way to 3 Michelin stars with it.
Is this part of a ritual? Ancient fire worship?
Just like with the mower. Yeah, it's almost a tradition.
The next step is fishing. I spent 5 years getting this skill. Booyah! It's never let me down. What will you do now?
I'll just wait a little while.
Freshly cut.
Wow!
Hey.
Jacques has never let me down either. What will you do without your phone? I don't know. Maybe take another one. Whoopsie! Is that a snowdrop over there? The Junior Woodchuck Guidebook doesn't say anything about this.
At this rate, my father is going to end up in the land of Oz.
Don't worry, we'll catch this fish.
Oh gosh, maybe technology isn't so bad. Well, maybe a bit of camping spirit is good too. Which button should I press? It's not your phone. You should do it by hand.
I think I'm gonna get fired.
All right, we'll get you some orders.
Okay. Huh?
Freeze! Clean.
That's disgusting.
Well, she's a new student.
Hi.
Oh. Let me remind you that this weekend we're going camping.
Hey!
Huh? Where's the new go?
I'll be back.
Let's set up tents.
Large, please. This is a real house.
It's lunchtime.
New girl, it's your turn.
Ben? Okay, I understand. Ben?
Move over. Voila.
Table, please. Voila.
Be polite to the new go. There you go. Bon appetit. You pay for this.
I cannot afford. Hello? Hello? What's wrong? I'll charge it now.
You can't charge it here.
Why?
Because we're in the forest.
What?
Thank you, stranger.
I know a scary story. Okay, one more story.
It's time to sleep.
I'm scared.
I know.
Can I sleep next to you?
This is a great place.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Who's there?
What happened? Money, money, money.
Good job.
I'm sorry.
What? Again?
I love this band.
Let's buy the best tickets.
Oh no. 2 tickets, please. Let's run!
Where can we get tickets?
Are we thinking the same thing?
Yes, where can we get tickets?
We'll definitely win.
Losers!
But what if we lose?
I stole the map.
Name?
Liza and Piro.
Future winners. A living tree.
This is our champion. I'm fine.
I can't.
It's not that difficult. Look. I did it! Oh. Work around. Are you okay?
Yes.
Don't move. Oh.
Are you kidding? It's cold. I can't get up.
But you're warm?
Yes. Are we going the right way?
Yes. I have an idea.
Ow! Ow! Hero!
Are you alive?
So far, yes. I'm thirsty.
Huh? Eh?
Ugh.
Cece.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Huh? Look! We did it!
What happened? Why are you so late?
It's all because of the river.
What river? The map was turned over.
You were first.
To pass through this river.
And
We lost.
Hold it.
I have to go.
You're only leaving for a couple of days. Why are your suitcases so heavy?
Bye, honey.
Bye.
Thank you. Ah.
Tech lover.
Redneck.
Hello?
Liza, dear.
Honey, hello. I missed you so much.
Me too, Mom.
Finally, my daughter has arrived.
Hello, Dad. Huh? What happened to the house? It looks a little strange.
Well, you know, I'd better show you something. Now we will collect nuts. These are gifts from nature.
Gifts of nature. Only they're difficult to get. Is this enough nuts?
By the way, which eat everything quickly. Here, have some water from the river. Liza, be careful. Yeah. Now let's make a great soup, honey.
Yeah, it's hard to call this a soup.
Liza, come here.
Hey, Liza, where are you going?
Now let's make a great lunch effortlessly. Huh?
Whoa!
That's not all.
So tasty! This is so great, Mom.
Anything for my daughter. Oh.
But this is pure chemistry. Everything in my soup is natural. Now Daddy will do you a big favor. Well, how do you like it?
Thank you, Dad. Very cute.
Oh. I need to tweak it a bit.
Hey, Liza, come here. Choose whichever you want.
Ooh, this one. Has it arrived already? Whoa! This is relaxation.
You call this a chair? And what will you do without electricity? My stool is not even worse.
Now this is life.
Don't say a word. Huh? Oh. What happened? Huh? Oh.
So, what should we do?
Huh?
Hey, what? Did the electricity run out? Let's go to my place. Here, try it. And no electricity. Delicious, huh?
Really delicious.
Yes, very tasty. Thank you, Dad.
See how beautiful the stars are. Better than on TV.
Wow. Bye, dear.
Come anytime.
Bye. I'll miss you.
Oh.
It seems that your parents are late.
They will be here in a minute, I'm sure.
Here we are. Have you been waiting long?
This we did not expect.
So that's why you're so...
And here is my beloved son. Oh,
Hi, Dad.
How long has it been since I've seen you? You've grown so much.
And let me introduce you to Liza's parents.
Greetings. Oh! Whoa. We have wanted to meet you for so long. I can't say the same. Greetings. Oh!
Oh, what are you doing? Stop! Let me just hug you.
How rude.
It's a new dress. Huh? Oh, you better don't come closer. I feel bad.
Okay, get well soon. Oh, I'm so hungry.
Me too.
I want this one, please.
We'll be done.
Give us this. Give each one a serving.
Sir, here is one dish for the whole family.
Well, of course, our family has a healthy appetite. Why did you take so long? We're so hungry. Well, I'm not hungry. Are you going to eat that? Then I'll finish it.
Just try.
Oh, I ate too much.
Huh? Excuse me? I can't do this anymore. I have to get out.
Huh? Mom, wait!
Oh, at least I can listen to good music. Look at them! Is this music? Let's show them how to play music! What are those awful sounds?
And so every time.
Stop this horror!
What's happening?
Daddy's out of his mind!
Oh, finally! This cacophony has subsided. You just broke my wife's guitar? Oh, I didn't mean to, really. Excuse me. Well, she was old anyway. Do you know how many of these guitars we have? Let's go to our house. I'll show you. Now let's go to our house. We'll play your guitars all night. Wait, you misunderstood.
Yes, I can't wait.
Hey, where are you going?
Well, let him have fun with them. I'm going home.
We have strange parents.
Please pay your bill.
My favorite song. Earthquake! Stop this!
Oh, why did you do that?
We were dancing. I'll show you real music.
What's this?
Real music. No, 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 no.
Huh?
Oh.
That's it. That's not cool. Huh?
Oh. Oh. Huh? My grandson can help me. Have a good trip. She's so old-fashioned.
High score! Oh? What the? Okay. Oh, poor bird. What's this? Grandma needs help. I need this, and this, and this. Grandma, I'm coming!
Hero!
I'm coming. Who are you?
It's me, Piro.
Whoa, grandson!
Well, like grandma, like grandson.
I've broken my spine.
Don't worry, Grandma. Here, try to pop it.
Stupid toy.
Whoa!
Zero likes.
Again. Look, I've made a puppet.
Good job.
Grandma.
I'll show them.
Grandma, wait!
Hero, I need makeup too.
Aha!
Are you sure about that?
Look, you're beautiful. I've really tried hard.
Like when I was young. Can I join? Oh
Grandma!
I'll take a smaller one next time.
Maybe you should stop.
Yay! No!
Grandma, stop! Whoa!
You're a star. We are stars.
Yeah.
You won't do that.
Why not?
No, run! No! You.
Aha! Mom! Liza almost broke your favorite vase.
What's going on here? Oh,
She won't let me watch TV.
Mom, that's not true!
Liza, go to your room and stop hurting your brother. Don't worry, let's watch TV. Ooh.
Hey!
How do I look?
Where are you going?
To the park with Piro.
Can I come with you?
No!
Mom, please.
Oh, of course. Darling, Ron will go to the park with you.
I'm bored.
Huh? Look, ice cream!
Huh? Haha, very funny. Well, I'm going for a walk.
Sorry about my brother.
La 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 la. What? My baby needs me. Are you sick? Where is your sister? How could you?
Nothing happened to him!
He could have been lost. You're punished.
But, Mom!
2 weeks. Good morning. Wake up.
Hi, Mommy.
Wake up. It's time for school.
I think I'm sick.
Stop pretending. Get ready for school. Liza, you're bending up. I'll call your mom.
Where is she?
I'm here.
Yay! What is that?
Huh? Ron's first tooth fell out. I bought him a gift.
When my tooth fell out, I got a math book.
The tooth fairy doesn't understand children.
Huh? What?
I bought him a gift myself.
Okay, fine.
Oh,
This is mine.
see?
I know who can help me. Hello, Grandma.
Your house is a mess. What are the children wearing? It's terrible.
Grandma!
So happy to see you.
Granny!
Gosh, the children are so thin. Huh? Darling, let's clean first. What? Oh, good. No buts.